Welcome back to part 2 of Naisa and JJ's wedding vlog. This part is a bit different because it's mostly film photography slideshow by Neil from the Young Studios. Please consider him if you need a photographer. It's mostly pictures of the bride and bridesmaids as the groomsmen were busy brainstorming and planning a prank on the groom, which will be shown at the end of this vlog.
Ikaw ang aking nakasalubong, ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit. Nag-araw-araw napapatanong, paanong natupad aking pulong, kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa'kin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
Ay, bawal pa magtanina?
Pwede na. Pwede na. Go.
Nakaayos! Sinigil lang!